Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about Ari Chain. You need to be careful this period so that you will not lose everything you have worked for. There is an update going on Discord this early morning, and from my own perspective, from my own understanding, I think Ari Chain Discord is compromised. Their Discord account is hacked. Thereby, there is a rumor flying around, and that's the essence of me recording this video this early morning so that you guys will be safe wherever you are. Do not click on any link that says you should claim. Ari Chain has given us their update that the EVM wallet connection and Discord username registration will kick off on 7th. So today is the 6th, and this rumor is flying on their Discord. I think their Discord is hacked, so do not click on any link on their Discord so that you will save yourself from unnecessary stress. Looking at this, they made this update 9 a.m. this morning, and this update is a scam update, not really from Ari Chain. Looking at what they said, the moment you have all been waiting for is finally here. We are launching the airdrop of $Ari for all of our users to claim. Now the airdrop link is here, but this link will cause you a lot of harm. Do not click on this link. Wallet connection for Ari Chain has not started. It's going to kick off tomorrow. I'm recording this video because I have been updating you guys on Ari Chain. So do not click on any link. Their Discord is compromised. Stay safe to avoid unnecessary stress. And they said, we are sincerely thank our community for joining us on a mission with multiple VM and Ari Chain. Now looking here, they say more than 70% have already been claimed. Nothing has already been claimed. If you click on that link, forget about it. They are going to hack your account, join, and you will start shouting. Now going to their Discord, going to their S account. Where is their S account? Let's type for Ari Chain, search for Ari Chain. You will see a Michelle latest update. Michelle was the last that updated the community, and I also recorded this video I think 3 days ago. I recorded this video. Michelle said we plan to start collecting Ari user information through Ari Wallet and the Discord bot starting November 7th, and this rumor is kicking off on November 6th. So that means this is not from Ari Chain. That means the account is hacked. So anything that you are connecting today, you are doing it at your own risk. Ari Chain wallet connection and Discord username registration is going to kick off on November 7th, which is tomorrow. So do not fall for this, guys. Do not fall for this. And Michelle also said currently some users are posting information in unrelated Discord channel. Did you see? Unrelated. They are also warning against Discord unrelated information about Ari Chain. So make sure you don't do that. They say please wait. The Discord bot release an Ari Wallet update are both scheduled for November 7th. So we are going to get the exact details on that wallet collection tomorrow from their S account. S account is not compromised, but if you see that Discord, avoid it. So I say let me update you guys because I've been carrying you guys along. So do not connect anything on Discord. Do not click on any link that says you should connect. Let's wait for their official update on the wallet connection tomorrow being 11th, and I'm also going to tomorrow being 7th November. I'm also going to record a video to show you the process. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.